Child is meant to learn, not to earn. The most recent global estimate suggests some 120 million children between the ages of 5 and 14 are involved in child labor. Boys and girls in this age group are almost equally affected. This persistence of child labor is rooted in poverty and lack of decent work for adults, lack of social protection, and a failure to ensure that all children are attending school through to the legal minimum age for admission to employment. In order to give impetus to the world-alarming issue, the World Day Against Child Labour is observed on 12 June every year. The World Child Labour Day is an opportunity to raise our voices against child labour, and this year the focus will be particularly on the importance of quality education as a key step in tackling child labour. India got a Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 for working against child labour and in promoting the right to education. It is very timely to do so, as in 2015, the international community will be reviewing reasons for the failure to reach development targets on education and will be setting new goals and strategies. The latest statistics reveals number of children in child labor globally has declined by 1/3 since 2000, from 246 million to 168 million children. More than half of them, that is 85 million, are in hazardous work. Asia and the Pacific still has the largest number of child labor. But Sub-Saharan Africa continues to be the region with the highest incidence of child labor. There are 13 million of children in child labor in Latin America and the Caribbean and the Middle East, and North Africa there are 9.2 million. About 10.12 million children in India spend their childhood at work and not in classroom. To mark the World Day on 12th June, this year's theme, No to Child Labour, Yes to Quality Education, hundreds of events are organized in some 55 countries. In Geneva, Nobel Peace Prize laureate Kailash Satyarthi and the First Lady of Panama, Lorena, joins a panel discussion with delegates attending the International Labour Conference. World Day Against Child Labour was first observed in 2002 to spread awareness on issues of children engaged in different work, some paid or unpaid. But even today, over 21 crore children globally are forced to work. Child labour remains one of the main reasons why children are deprived of a happy and healthy childhood. Need of the hour for the governments and society as a whole is to put in combined efforts to give a better future to the children of a country. Shalini Puri, DD News.